A thesis statement is your essay's backbone, the cornerstone upon which your entire argument is built. It's more than just a claim that you plan to defend throughout your piece. It's the guiding light showing the way your essay will travel. It's the firm, unwavering compass needle that determines the structure of your essay, orchestrates the evidence you present, and directs your analysis. A well-designed thesis statement, much like a finely chiseled sculpture, has been shaped with careful thought. It's accurate and direct, leaving no room for doubt. It's debatable, offering a point that sparks discourse and discussion. It's insightful, providing a unique viewpoint or a fresh perspective on an old issue. This statement gives readers a hint of your intellectual might. It's a quick tour of your mind's maze, brimming with critical thought and analytical skills. It's a display of your capacity to examine an issue, inspect every detail, and present a comprehensive view. A well-crafted thesis statement is specific, arguable, and insightful, offering readers a glimpse of your critical thinking and analytical skills. Crafting an effective thesis statement requires thoughtful consideration of your topic and what you aim to convey. To excel, apply these strategies. 1. Pose a question. Initiate with a question related to your essay theme. This makes you ponder profoundly about your topic, turning the answer to this question into an argumentative thesis statement. This will help maintain your focus throughout the writing process. 2. Arguable stand. Excellent thesis statements defend a particular standpoint. They don't merely present data, but propose an argument that might spark debate. This feature enables you to display logical reasoning skills and engage in a persuasive discussion, ensuring your thesis drives your essay with a firm claim you stand for. 3. Specificity. Being unclear is detrimental to a potent thesis. It should lucidly declare your argument's path, providing a clear route for your essay. Specificity guarantees that your thesis gives rise to profound analysis. A high-quality thesis emphasizes quality over quantity, making your argument more robust. 4. Infuse complexity, AP. English essays often demand exploration of intricate arguments and elaborate themes. Hence, your thesis should replicate this complexity, perhaps by acknowledging counter-arguments or encapsulating diverse aspects of your subject. This complexity offers abundant material for your essay, displaying a deep understanding. 5. Concentrate and refine. Initial thesis might be broad. It's necessary to concentrate and refine your thesis through the writing process, ensuring it accurately mirrors your essay's depth and direction. This iterative process helps you to distill your argument down to its most compelling essence. Rewrites are a crucial part of thesis crafting, allowing you to perfect your argument. Your thesis is more than just a statement. It's a commitment to an idea, a roadmap for your essay, and the backbone of your argument. Crafting a compelling, thoughtful, and analytical thesis statement is crucial to the success of your essay. Refine and focus. Your initial thesis statement might start broad. Use the writing process to refine and focus your thesis, ensuring it accurately reflects the depth and direction of your essay. This iterative process helps distill your argument to its most compelling core. A strong thesis is usually placed at the end of the introductory paragraph, serving as a bridge to your essay. It's not trivial, it's a significant statement requiring proof. Crafting your thesis demands careful consideration and lucidity, clarity and brevity. Select precise, clear words to convey your main thesis. Thesis. A convoluted thesis can confuse readers, weakening your argument. Originality. Offer a unique perspective on your chosen topic. A distinctive thesis can captivate readers, set your essay apart. Lastly, keep in mind the scope. Your thesis must strike a balance. It should be broad enough for deep exploration, but confined enough to be exhaustively tackled within the word limit. Your thesis should be broad enough to explore in depth through your essay, but narrow enough to be thoroughly addressed within the word limit. To illustrate, let's consider a few examples of effective thesis statements for common AP English essay prompts. For a rhetorical analysis essay, in his I Have a Dream speech, Martin Luther King Jr. uses ethos, pathos, and logos to move his listeners towards racial equality. He masterfully uses these devices to evoke feelings, appeal to rationality, and establish credibility. The speech not only inspires but also serves as a unifying message of hope.